Mzee Askey Macharia.
Wakenya hamjambo. I stand before you today in my personal capacity as a participant and a witness to many struggles of our country. For many years now, I have taken the very courageous, honest, open, and public step of making a very clear separation between myself, Askey Macharia, as a responsible citizen of this nation, and my businesses that include broadcast media companies. I'm therefore exercising my personal constitutional right to political participation as a responsible and a free citizen. My political views and preferences are therefore completely independent of my businesses, which are managed by impartial and highly competent professionals. And so, I stand here as Dr. Macharia because I don't want politics to distort the true story of our country. I want to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. The first truth is that I first knew Mzee Jaramogi Oginga Odinga personally. I worked closely with him, especially in the later years of his life. Jaramogi was a true patriot. He was a sincere person who cared for the freedom of Mzee Jomo Kenyatta and the independence of Kenya. I have present some evidence of Jaramogi devotion to Mzee Jomo Kenyatta leadership. Here is the voice of Jaramogi, those who are playing video.
Jomo Kenyatta is the father of the African nationalism and the African national movement in this country.
But surely you're all rather more advanced than he is in your thinking about politics. Wouldn't he embarrass you if he was really let go now?
We cannot in any sense be more advanced than our teacher and master, whom I think is much more advanced in political outlook in this country than we are. We are still
Kenyatta tosha.
Mimi nilikuwa kwa kupigania Kenyatta arudi kuongoza Kenya, na wazungu wengi walijitokeza, hata serikali ya Uingereza, kusema ati Odinga, kwa nini unapigania Kenyatta? Kwa nini wewe hapana chukua wewe mwenyewe sasa uongoze Kenya? Kenya, wewe pia iko sawa kuongoza. Mimi nasema mimi bado kuchaguliwa kuwa kiongozi. Kenyatta ndiye anachaguliwa sasa. Kwa hiyo yeye iko hapa karibu. Leta yeye aongoze Kenya. Mpaka waliletea Kenyatta, wakanipewa Kenyatta huko kiwanjani kwa kahawa. Mpaka sisi tukasindikisha Kenyatta huko nyumbani yake. Tena wengi walikuwa wanasema Kenyatta ni mnyonge, amekwisha, hapana weza kuendesha nchi. Na mimi nilimwambia Kenyatta ati wewe hapana kubali ati wewe ni mzee unawacha kazi. Sasa ndio wewe unatosha.
That was the voice of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. I also know Raila Amolo Odinga, the son of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Raila has lived a life of selfless struggle for a better Kenya. Raila is a true son of his father. He has always championed greater causes than self. He fought for multipartyism and paid the price by spending 8 years in detention. He came out stronger to fight for more reforms, including a new constitution. And like his father, he also said Tosha in 2002 for the sake of our country. In 2018, he embraced handshake with President Uhuru Kenyatta, a handshake that itself transforming our politics and shaping our future today. I conclude in the hope that I have helped Kenyans to remember that Jaramogi said Tosha for Kenyatta in the 60s. Raila said Tosha for Mwai Kibaki in 2002. And the handshake with the President Uhuru in 2018 in itself is another Tosha for Raila to President Uhuru Kenyatta. So the other day, I was so happy to see President Uhuru saying some exciting words in Nakuru. Let's listen for a minute, for a second, our President carefully.
Uongozi uko hapa. Uongozi sio mpira ya kuchezwa kwa kiwanja. Uongozi sio sprint, ni marathon. Wewe utakimbia hapa, by the time umefika pale pumzi imeisha, lakini mzee amekanyanga polepole akuja kupitia ukiwa bado kwa barabara.
Asante, President Kenyatta. Now, fellow Kenyans, guided by our simple truth, may I request you to join me in categorically declaring Raila Tosha for President in 2022. Thank you all.
Wakenya oye! Kabla sijaalika mgeni ambaye ametoka Amerika ili yeye pia azungumuze. Nataka kuita on behalf of Jubilee Party, nataka kuita Vice Chairman David Muradhi